Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about radical equations. In this video, we will talk about 5 questions which are radical equations. These equations are selected and these are very important in exam point of view. These 5 equations will really change your idea, your concepts regarding radical equations, and after watching this video I guarantee you will find radical equations as easy as a piece of cake. So watch the video till the end. So be in the video till end and let's take the first question. We are going to start from basic. Our first question is root of x minus 1 is equal to 4. So in this form, if you get this root, so this root has the order 2. This root has the order 2. No number is mentioned here, so it has the order 2. In order to get rid of this root, we have to raise this part to the power 2. So first of all, what we do, we can write this thing as square root of x minus 9 raised to power 2 equal to 4 raised to power 2. So we write squaring both sides, squaring both sides. And why we raise this to both term? Why did we square? Because this thing, okay, this root has the order 2. If it has the order 2 raised to the power 2, if it has the order 3 raised to the power 3, it has the order n raised to the power n. That its concept. So first, now here this square is going to cancel this square root. So I can write that it's x minus 9 equal to 16. And I can say that x is equal to 16 plus 9 and it gives me x equal 25. This is our solution. Now friends, let's take question number 2. Our question number 2 is root cube of 2t minus 1 plus 4 equal to 7. So here in this case what we are going to do, we are just going to transfer these 4 to this side. So first of all, let's write cube root of 2t minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 4. Is it? Or I can say that its cube root of 2t minus 1 is equal to 3. Now we can see that this equation looked just before we solved, looked just like the equation number 1 we solved before. So now here what we are going to see, just check the order of this root is 3. So we are going to raise both sides to the power 3. So I'm going to write cube root of 2t minus 1 raised to power 3 equal to 3 raised to power 3. It is cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. Okay, now we got rid of this root. Now it's equal to 2t minus 1 equal to cube root of 3. That's 3 into 3 into 3. It gives you 27, or 2t is equal to 27 plus 1, or 2t is equal to 28, or t is equal to 28 divided by 2, or t is equal to 2 divides 28, it's 14 times, so t equal to 14. This is our solution. Dear friends, now the level of difficulty is increasing. Now let's check our next question, question number 3. Now question number 3 is x minus 9 equal to root of x plus 3. In this kind of question, what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to write these two things. You can check here that 9 is the square of 3, okay? 9 is the square of 3. So write this thing in a term of square. So this thing can be written as root of x square. Is it or not? Root of x square. What is the order of this root? The root of this order of this root is 2. So if I raise to power 2, then I will get rid of this root. So I have x here. Okay. So here root of x square minus this 9 is the square of 3 equal to root x plus 3. Or here if I compare to a square minus b square, I will have a plus b, a minus b. So I am going to write this thing in this term as these factors. So I have here root x plus 3, root x minus 3 equal to root x plus 3. Now, in the next line, what I can do is, if I write this thing only, root x minus 3 is equal to, then I get root under x plus 3 divided by this term, right? If I say, since if I'm saying that ab is equal to 1, then I say a is equal to 1 by b. Okay, if I write this a, if I write b, then it will be equal to 1 by a. So if I'm writing this term here, and this term will go there to divide. Okay, so from here I wrote this term, and this term will go and divide here. So I have root x plus 3. And now we can see that x plus 3, root x plus 3, root x plus 3, the same thing is divided by same, like a by a is 1, x by x is 1. So this whole thing is same to this thing. So divide by the same thing is 1, and I have root of x minus 3 is equal to 1. Or in the next line, I have root of x equal to 1 plus 3. Or I have root of x is equal to 4. And if I square both sides now I can square both sides. Okay, now I can square both sides. So root of x square equal to 4 square, squaring both sides. Okay, so I have root of x raised to power 2 is x, and 4 raised to power 2 or 4 square is 16. This is our solution. Dear friends, now even more difficult question we have. Let's check the next question. So our next question is x minus 1 divided by root x plus 1 equal to 1. Dear friends, as we did before, we can see that 1 is the square of 1 and x is the square of root under x. So we are going to write it as root under x whole square minus 1 square divided by root of x plus 1 is equal to 1. And we know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus a plus b times a minus b. So comparing this thing to a square minus b square, I get root under x plus 1 root under x minus 1 upon root under x plus 1 is equal to 1. So this thing and this thing are same, so we can cancel out this term. Now I have root under x minus 1 equal to 1. Or I have root under x equal to 1 plus 1. Or I have root under x equal to 2. Now to get rid of this square, I can raise to the power 2. I can square both the sides. So let's do it. I have squared both sides and now I get x equal to 4. This is my solution. Now let's check the higher ability question and the last one in this video. Let's check the question. Today's last question is x minus 1 divided by root x plus 1 equal to 4 plus root under x minus 1 divided by 2. Now here what I'm going to do is that 1 is the square of 1 and x is the square of root x. So I'm going to write root x square minus 1 square divided by root x plus 1 equal to 4 plus root x minus 1 divided by 2. In the next, I get comparing these two, a square minus b square, we get a square a plus b, a minus b. So from here I get root of x plus 1, root of x minus 1 upon root of x plus 1 equal to 4 plus root of x minus 1 upon 2, and this thing is getting cancelled here, or I get root of x minus 1 equal to, if I simplify this thing, then I get 4 2 is 8 plus 1 1 is 1, so it's root x minus 1, or by cross multiply I get by cross multiply I get 2 root under x minus 2 1 is 2 equal to root x plus 8 minus 1 is plus 7. Okay, so from here I'm going to bring the root x to the same side, and here I get 2 root x minus x equal to 7 plus 2, or I get 2 root x minus x. It's similar like 2a minus a. So I have root x equal to 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 I have 9, or since I have root x, so I'm going to square both sides. And I get x is equal to 81. Dear friends, if you like my video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you so much.